In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Shape of Dreams on your PC. So before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us a little bit and of course see more content like this. Now the next step is to go to your Google browser, and now we will search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. So what you need to do is go to the Google browser, quickly search up the Steam store. Now go to the Steam store, and after that we will search up the game Shape of Dreams. Don't waste too much time on it because we are not going to buy this game at Steam. You can download the demo if you would like to try it out first, but we would like to have the full game. As you can see, the full game is €19.60 at the moment at the Steam store. But don't worry, we got a little workaround. What you can do is open the video description and click on the link where it says Find Game Here. Once you have done that, this page will be opened, and now we can search for the same game, Shape of Dreams. So search for the game, and after that we will select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. As you can see, we have a PC version over here. This text is more green. That is very important to make sure this game can be activated in your country. So after that, select the game, and as you can see, we can already download this game for just €11.08 compared to the Steam price of €20, like €19.60. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. So once you have purchased this game through this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam, so you can activate the game within your Steam account, and after that you can download it. And that is how you save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. Completely legit, of course. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.